Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your savings with OneMain Financial, full guide step by step clearly. To secure your savings with OneMain Financial, start by assessing your current financial situation. Determine how much money you want to save and what your financial goals are. Visit the OneMain Financial website to explore available loan options. Review the types of loans they offer, such as personal loans or debt consolidation. Check the interest rates and terms for each loan option that interests you. Calculate how much you can comfortably afford to borrow. Gather necessary documentation, including proof of income, expenses, and your credit score. Fill out the online application on the website, providing accurate and complete information. Submit your application and wait for a decision from OneMain Financial. If approved, review the loan offer in detail, including fees and repayment terms. Accept the loan offer if it aligns with your financial needs and goals. Once you receive the funds, decide how to allocate them strategically to maximize your savings. Consider setting up a dedicated savings account to keep your savings separate from everyday spending. Track your savings progress regularly to stay motivated and on target towards your goals. Make consistent contributions to your savings to build a financial cushion over time. Stay informed about any changes to your loan terms or interest rates, as this can impact your overall strategy. Finally, remember to adjust your savings plan as needed based on your financial situation or changes in your life circumstances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.